quarter.
Jersey ha, idol. Kaya, boss ha.
Pasirap sa atin mamaya.
Parang boss.
Seros Bagyo to.
Cyrus Baguio.
Seros Bagyo.
Today!
Messer MVP. To Cyrus Baguio. Back to Gary David. To Barakael. Pass to Cyrus Baguio. Station move. To Yancy Di Ocampo. Elbow jumper. Rebound by Gary David. Cyrus Baguio. Fade away shot. Rebound by Barakael. Using the glass. Masyadong malakas. Yancy Di Ocampo. Hawk shot. There's a foul. Offensive foul by
Offensive foul.
Yancy Di Ocampo. Tumilayo. Pangatangay. Tusiles. Pupugol ng 3. Rebound by Mr. MVP. To Cyrus Baguio. Barakael. To Gary David. To Mr. MVP. Hesitation move. To Gary David. Pupugol ng 3. Gary David once again. To Cyrus Baguio. Pull-up jumper. Rebound by Makatanga. Silis. To Pilayo. Pilayo. Isinobo sa ring. Intercepted by Pilayo. Intercepted by Mr. MVP once again. Mr. MVP nagmamadali. To Mr. Gary David. Cyrus Baguio. To Barakael. To Lubos play. Nagbabagang kamay. Wala pa rin. Barakael. Yes, for two.
Barakael.
8 minutes and 10 seconds. Pilayo! What an easy shot by Pilayo. Official running score 41 versus 34 in favor pa rin ng PBA Legend. Master MVP. Gary David to Barakael. Globus play. Cyrus Baguio. Pull-up jumper. Yossi Di Glass. Yes for 2. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 18 Makatanga. To Dennis Da. Finding his teammate. To Pilayo. Masyadong malakas. Miscommunication by Pilayo on Mr. Dennis Da. Mr. MVP ang nagpituman. To Cyrus Baguio. To Yancy Di Ocampo. Lopez play. Tapigan ng bola. To Paulo Gimenales. To Siles. Pilayo sa ilalim. Guarded by Mr. MVP. To Siles. Pupugol ng 3. Dos tres! From the range of running score 43 versus 37. Ay in favor pa rin ng PBA Legend. Mr. MVP to Cyrus Baguio. To Mr. Gary David. Pupugol ng 3. Ay babay Siles. To Dennis Da. Back to Siles once again. Siles once again for 3. Baba sa tatlo ang hinahabol ng Team Gimenales. 43 over 40. Siles once again. Siles pupukol ulit ang 3. Rebound by Yancy Di Ocampo. Intercepted by Dennis Da. To Pilayo. Siles. To Paulo. Hesitation move using the glass. Masyadong malakas. Rebound by Siles. Supalpay by Baguio. Yes for 2 by Dennis Da.
Sana lang.
Official running score for the 3 to 42. Baba sa isa ang hinahabol ng Team Gimenales. Mr. MVP of Mr. Samar. Pass to Gary David. To Mr. MVP. To Cyrus Baguio. Pupugol ng 3. Rebound by Makatanga. Finding his teammate. To Gimenales.
Foul.
There's a whistle. There's a ref.
Sayang.
First throw is good. Score, Dila to 43.
Parehas ang score, 43.
Paglabangan na.
Third quarter.
Short ang pangalawang tira. 1 minutes to jersey number 95. Yan si Lucampo. To Bunbong Custodio. And the free throw line. To yan si Lucampo. Lobos play. To Barangkael. Barangkael. Drop to Bunbong Custodio. Yan si Douglas. Bunbong Custodio.
4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Nagatay! Masyadong malakas! Millones to Bunbong Custodio. Bunbong Custodio, pull-up jumper. Yes for 2. 47 to 43. Pilayo to Siles. Using the glass, masyadong malakas. Barangay lang may tangan ng bola. To Mr. Gary David, bubukol lang 3. Bunbong Custodio. Gary David! Yes for 3.
3 minutes and 55 seconds.
57 over 53. Silis. Tumakatangay, bubukol lang 3. Short. Mr. Billionaire. Intercepted by Mr. Silis. Silis bubukol sa 3. Rebound by Pilayo. Pilayo. For 2. Mr. Pilayo.
3 minutes and 25
The
seconds.
billionaire man, Mr. Billionaires, ang may tangan ng bola. To Mr. Gary David. Short na ang kanyang pangalawang tira. Silis, bubukol lang 3. Silis! From the downtown. Yes for 3.
3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Baba sa dalawa ang hinahabol ng Team Criminales, Mr. Billiones. To Mr. Gary David. Yan si Lucampo, yan si Lucampo. Lebre Masay. Billionaire man, bubukol lang 3. Billiones! Celeste Pilayo, follow-up shot! Brought you by Philippine Airlines.
2 minutes and 40.
Yan si Lucampo. To Mr. Gary David. Ang nagbabagang kamay, Gary David.
Papagang kamay.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Mga tangay. Intercepted by Billiones. To Bunbong Custodio. Bunbong Custodio. Billionaire man. Ipabasa 5. Dasik.
2 minutes and 10
Mr.
seconds.
Silis. To Mr. Pilayo to the corner 3. Barangay.
2 minutes.
Defense. Ang dinista, pull-up jumper. Barangay. Elbow jumper. Labol ng Team Criminales. Silis, bubukol sa 3. Short. Rebound by Bunbong Custodio. Bunbong Custodio fighting his teammate. Bunbong Custodio attacking to the paint. Exhibition move. Pass to Erdasig. Erdasig. To Mr. Billionaire. To pambansang 5. Tabi Apoy! Sir Tigranat, may igat 5. Isinubo sa ring ng
1
Panang
minute
Oliva.
and 10 seconds.
59 over 52. Lamang pa rin ang PBA legend. Erdasig! Erdasig! Rebound by
1 minute.
Magandangan. To Mr. Pilayo. Mr. Pilayo! Nagala Cebu Pacific.
Seconds to play. 50 seconds.
Number 3, Mr. Billiones. Jersey number 45. To Erdasig. To Billionaire Man. Pupukol sa 3.
40 seconds.
Rebound by Paolo Jimenez. To Mr. Daa. Mr. Daa. To Siles. Pupukol sa 3.
30 seconds.
What a sharp shooter.
25 seconds. 20 seconds.
Bunbong Custodio.
15 seconds.
Barangay. Susubok sa 3. Hold on. Posted.
Giants.
And Dasig.
That's
An
them.
hand for our third
Third
period.
quarter.
Score 62-57.
Beautiful na tam. Gary David.
Points lead by PBA Legend.